Thank you, Marzia Colitti, for this beautiful item. And thank you for all the effort to get it ready for this puja. And we really hope to see you very soon here in Cabella performing for all the Sangha. And now there is a very special moment and a very special artist that is part of all our Sarge culture from so many years, from right at the beginning. He wrote more than one of the most beautiful songs and bhajan in Sarge Yoga. We have the pleasure and the luck to have Sanjay Talwar with us from India, directly from India. Some of his performances will be live, so we are truly lucky, and we hope for non-technical problems. So we just pray, Mother, and everything can go smoothly, and we give a very, not warm, but very cool welcome to our Sanjay Talwar. Thank you. Enjoy it.
Thank you. Hello, Jai Shri Mataji all. I'm told that today is going to be live, my program with you. So my association with Shri Mataji has been for more than 36 years, since 1984. And in 1986, she chose me to be a Sahaj musician so that she could spread Sahaj Yoga through my music. And she prepared me as a musician herself. And I'd be more than happy to share with you the very early years, my very first performance in front of Shri Mataji in Ganpati Pule in January 1987. So I request the team to please show that video, and then I'll come back and we can have some chat together for this.
I will request Sanjay Talwar to come and render some of his most melodious and beautiful songs in his one of the most melodious and beautiful voice that we have got. He's a big blessing to Sahaj Yoga. We give him a big clap, please. Vinay? Vinay? वो पैसे इकट्ठा करो और बैग अपने पास रखो उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कम आप साथ करिए हाँ हाँ करता आप लोग साथ करिए हाँ छान म्हणजे आवाज यांचा फार घन आहे आणि सहयोगानंतर रिअलायझेशन नंतर त्यांना डायमेन्शन्स आले आता काय मोठेवारी गायक ऑलरेडी यांच्यावर एवढा डिमांड झालेला आहे टिप्स मांग रहे हैं दुनिया भर के इन पर बहुत सारे आक्रमण हो रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से आप हमारे इसमें आ जाइए ये सुनाइए वो सुनाइए आप आवाज सुनिए कितना फर्क आ गया है सहयोग के बाद माइक जस्ट पुट द माइक नियर हिम प्रॉपर्ली राइट प्लीज
सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है कि अपने दिए को है तुम याद रखना हुआ माँ कृपा से है अपना ही दर्शन हुआ माँ कृपा से है अपना ही दर्शन सदा अपने जीवन को आबाद रखना सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है कड़ी मान मेहनत तुम्हारे लिए की, कड़ी मान मेहनत लगन की अगन में है क्यों जल रहे हो, कोई भी कमी तुमको महसूस क्यों हो, कोई भी कमी तुमको महसूस क्यों हो। समर्पण अगर खुद को कर ही चुके हो, किसी स्थिति में करो खुद को कायम, इसी स्थिति में करो खुद को कायम। सदा चित निरोध अपना करते ही रहना, सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है। सभी वक्त सीमा में निश्चित बंधे हैं, सभी वक्त सीमा में निश्चित बंधे हैं, उन्हीं के लिए वक्त रुकता नहीं है। सहज वक्त बंधन को तोड़े तभी है, सहज वक्त बंधन को तोड़े तभी है, जब ही संतुलन में ही स्थिर हो सको तुम, इसी स्थिति में करो खुद को कायम, इसी स्थिति में करो खुद को कायम। सदा चित निरोध अपना करते ही रहना, सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है। ये जीवन की मझधार में नाव अपनी, ये जीवन की मझधार में नाव अपनी, है माझी भी भ्रम में दिशा धुंधली है, जब भी मान लो आत्मा ही तुम्ही हो, जब भी मान लो आत्मा ही तुम्ही हो, तो सागर की गोतें न महसूस होंगी, इसी स्थिति में करो खुद को कायम, इसी स्थिति में करो खुद को कायम। सदा चित निरोध अपना करते ही रहना, सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है कि अपने दिए को है तुम याद रखना। हुआ माँ कृपा से है अपना ही दर्शन, हुआ माँ कृपा से है अपना ही दर्शन। सदा अपने जीवन को आबाद रखना। सवेरे का सूरज तुम्हारे लिए है।
After realization, you see, he started composing poetry. It's beautiful. His voice opened also into new dimensions. It's a very deep, devotional voice he has got. But the music is so beautiful, the poetry is so beautiful. The poetry is like this, that the morning sun is your own, only keep your state steady. That is for Sahaja-yogis. You have to keep your state steady, keep your attention in control, so that the morning sun is your own, all the joy is your own.
I just wanted to say here, Shri Mataji would often tell me in those times that she was going overseas to give realization to the Western world from India. And she said that there's so much of right-sidedness in their world that if you were to do your melodies and your slow and soothing music, they would be drawn more towards the center. That the idea was that music is to draw you to your balance. So this is how I started with very soft and slow melodious songs which would touch your heart. The words are in Hindi, but Mother did explain what it meant. And so that was the start of my journey in music with Shri Mataji. You can listen to the next song, which actually was, Mother wanted me to go a little on a beat and a good fast rhythm so that they could be played in public programs. And she said that this song helped a lot for people to be prepared when she would speak to them about self-realization, and that it helped them in achieving that. So please, would you like to play that video?
उन्हीं को क्यों न पाही लो, पुकार कर बुला रही माँ कुंडलिनी तुम्हें। जो शक्तियाँ तुम्हारी हैं उन्हीं को क्यों न पाही लो, पुकार कर बुला रही। न थी खबर हमें सहज ज्ञान की, न थी फिकर हमारे उत्थान की। पड़ी नजर जो आत्मा पे अपनी, उठा सवाल क्यों न इसको जान ले। न थी खबर हमें सहज ज्ञान की, न थी फिकर हमारे उत्थान की। पड़ी नजर जो आत्मा पे अपनी, उठा सवाल क्यों न इसको जान ले। पुकार कर बुला रही माँ कुंडलिनी तुम्हें। जो शक्तियाँ तुम्हारी हैं उन्हीं को क्यों न पाई लो, पुकार कर बुला रही। दोष हो भूतकाल का, करी हो गलतियां हजार तो भी क्या, जब भी सभी को दिल से माफ कर दिया, हुई कृपा हम पे आदि माँ की। कोई भी दोष हो भूतकाल का, करी हो गलतियां हजार तो भी क्या, जब भी सभी को दिल से माफ कर दिया, हुई कृपा हम पे आदि माँ की। पुकार कर बुला रही माँ कुंडलिनी तुम्हें, जो शक्तियाँ तुम्हारी हैं उन्हीं को क्यों न पाही लो। पुकार कर बुला रही। दिया जला लो माँ की तस्वीर पे, पसारे हाथ कर लो ध्यान माँ पे, चढ़ी बलि जभी अहंकार की, हृदय में लौ जलेगी माँ के प्यार की। दिया जला लो माँ की तस्वीर पे, पसारे हाथ कर लो ध्यान माँ पे, चढ़ी बलि जभी अहंकार की, हृदय में लौ जलेगी माँ के प्यार की। पुकार कर बुला रही माँ कुंडलिनी तुम्हें, जो शक्तियाँ तुम्हारी हैं उन्हीं को क्यों न पाही लो। पुकार कर बुला रही माँ कुंडलिनी तुम्हें, जो शक्तियाँ तुम्हारी हैं उन्हीं को क्यों न पाही लो। पुकार कर पुकार कर पुकार कर।
This song, Shrimataji made me sing for 14 years non-stop as she traveled all over the world in every public program. Such a great privilege to have performed this my first time on stage at Ganapatipule in 1987. I am going back almost 33 years. She still lives so much in my heart. And I would like to just share with you one wonderful experience I had that same year in Ganapatipule that you saw this performance. Shrimataji sent a word to me that I have to sing the Ganesha Bhajan, the Ganesha Stuti, because now we are having the Ganesha Puja. So this is the right time for me to share this lovely time with you, with Mother. And I did not know what she wanted me to sing. She just said, you have to sing at the puja. So I just sat at the pandal before the puja. I was just praying to Shrimataji. Shrimataji, what did you mean by saying, what am I going to sing? And I don't have any song for Ganesha. So then all of a sudden there was a lady sitting next to me. She had a big book in her hand and she was telling me, there is some Sanskrit happening in this Sanskrit words of Adi Shankaracharya that she wanted me to read. So I went, I looked around and I saw there was the Ganesha Stuti there. It is written by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. And my prayers were answered. So I just kept looking at the Sanskrit because I couldn't understand Sanskrit at all. And I just kept looking and kept praying and closed my eyes. And then I went back to my place to sleep. The next morning, there was this Ganesha Puja. And Shrimataji called out my name. I had taken that book from the lady and I was just praying in my heart that Mother, I would like to sing this at the puja. Though I hadn't composed any song, nothing. So when Shrimataji called me to the stage, and she asked me to present the song. Just spontaneously, it just came out in the form of a puja song, which you sing even till today. And I will sing it for you live right here. हेमजासुतं भजे गणेशमीश नंदनम एकदंत वक्रतुंड नागयज्ञसूत्रकम् रक्तगात्र धूम्र नेत्र शुक्ल वस्त्र मंडितम कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम पाशपाणि चक्रपाणि मूषकाधिरोहिणम् अग्निकोटि सूर्य ज्योति वज्रकोटि निर्मलम् चित्रमाल भक्ति जाल भाल चंद्र शोभितम् कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम् हेमजासुतं भजे गणेशमीश नंदनम् एकदंत वक्रतुंड नागयज्ञसूत्रकम् रक्तगात्र धूम्र नेत्र शुक्ल वस्त्र मंडितम् कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम् भूत भव्य हव्य कव्य भृगुर भाग वर्चितम् दिव्य वाहिने काल जाल लोकपाल वंदितम् पूर्ण ब्रह्म पुरुषम पुरांतकम कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम् हेमजासुतं भजे गणेशमीश नंदनम् एकदंत वक्रतुंड नागयज्ञसूत्रकम् रक्तगात्र धूम्र नेत्र शुक्ल वस्त्र मंडितम् कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम् विश्ववीर्य विश्वसूर्य विश्वकर्म निर्मलम् विश्वहर्ता विश्वकर्ता यत्र तत्र पूजितम् चतुर्मुखं चतुर्भुजं सेवुतं चतुर्युगं कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम् हेमजासुतं भजे गणेशमीश नंदनम् एकदंत वक्रतुंड नागयज्ञसूत्रकम् रक्तगात्र धूम्र नेत्र शुक्ल वस्त्र मंडितम् कल्पवृक्ष भक्त रक्ष नमोस्तुते गजाननम् नमोस्तुते गजाननम् नमोस्तुते गजाननम्. And there you go. This became the puja song for virtually all the pujas. Such was the blessing of Shri Mataji. And my very first composition on Adi Shankara, Shri Adi Shankara Ji's wonderful poetry on Ganesha Stuti. And we are so blessed that Shri Ganesha is awakened within us whenever we sing this song. I'll just sing a small shlok from Shri Ramdas Swami. Shri Mataji has spoken about Guru Ramdas. Ganadhish Joish Sarva Gunancha Mularamb आरंभ तो निर्गुणांचा नमो शारदा मूल चित्वारी वांचा घमो पंथ आनंत या माता जिंचा या माता जिंचा या माता जिंचा. Shri Mataji would often tell me, you must read these great saints, what they have written, and try to compose something and sing on their writings. So I did one of the shloks on Guru Ramdev. And then there is one more I have done on Sant Kabir, which I will share with you. These are all my compositions. इस घट अंतर बाग बगीचे इसी में सृजनहारा इस घट अंतर सात समुंदर इसी में नौ इस घट अंतर पारस मोती इसमें परखन हारा इस घट अंतर अनहद गरजे इसी में उठत फुहारा कहत कबीर सुनो भई साधो इसी में साईं हमारा इसी में साईं हमारा. So Kabir ji has described this subtle system in this poetry. He's actually explaining how the Kundalini is rising and how we are getting our new awareness of the new dimension of life. So how beautifully he has written this poetry, and Shri Mataji used to love this doha whenever I used to sing to her. I'm so happy to share this with you on this great occasion. And now I will attempt to perform one or two songs if time permits, which I have sung for my film Grah Lakshmi The Awakening. As you all know that I have produced a film, Grah Lakshmi The Awakening, through my NGO Immaculate Ideal Human Foundation. So both the songs were freshly recorded in the Bollywood in 5.1 Dolby sound for the cinema theaters. And now you can hear the music, and I will try to sing along with it for you today live. I'm going to try. Please bear with me. Go jago jago kundalini maa karo sab pe kripa jago kundalini maa करो सब पे कृपा. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I have to do this again. I'm sorry, there is something went wrong. Get back. Yeah, okay, I'm going to come back again. Give me a minute. I'm so sorry. I'm so forgetful. I was supposed to share the screen of my sound. I'm on it now. I'll start again. Jago, 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 jago. Jago, Kundalini maa, karo sab pe maa. Jago, Kundalini maa, karo sab pe maa. सहस्त्रार में आके सहस्त्रार में आके छू ही लेंगे वो हम आसमां जागो कुंडलिनी माँ वो सब पे जागो कुंडलिनी माँ वो सब पे मूलाधार में तुम बैठी हो माँ, सदियों से तुम सोई हो। मूलाधार में तुम बैठी हो माँ, सदियों से तुम सोई हुई। इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको, इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको। हासिल हो तुम जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ रो सब पे जागो कुंडलिनी माँ रो सब पे जागो 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 तभी चक्र तुम जित करो, समा जाओ माँ में अभी। तभी चक्र तुम जित करो, गणेशा स्वयं पूजे तुझको। गणेशा स्वयं पूजे तुझको। शरण में तेरी जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे जागो
सब पे सोई आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो, जो बिखरे हैं चित्त एकत्रित करो। सोई आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो, जो बिखरे हैं चित्त एकत्रित करो। तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे, तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे। रोशनी में तेरी जागो कुंडली, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, ओ सब पे जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, ओ सब पे सहस्त्रार में आके, सहस्त्रार में आके छू ही लेंगे वो हम आसमान। ओ कुंडलिनी माँ, ओ सब पे कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे कुंडलिनी माँ, करो सब पे करो सब पे करो सब पे कृपा। I know that this song puts you really into meditation, and which is the purpose of being here, is to go into deep meditation with music. I'd love to play one more song for you, if you so permit me. Let me see. This song is also sung at the film Graha Lakshmi, The Awakening. First, let me tell you about Jago Kundalini Ma. This song was composed way back in 1987-88, and Shri Mataji loved it, and she invited me over to her house, and then she had a lot of leaders sitting there, world leaders, and she told them to see what this song was all about, and everybody felt very cool. And she said, I want you to play this song for me at the Kundalini Puja. So first time this song was performed at the Kundalini Puja in Munich. I think it was in 1993 or so, I'm not very sure. And thereafter this became a very famous song among all of you. I'm so happy that today you all sing it for the Kundalini Awakening. And this became my theme song for my first film, Graha Lakshmi, The Awakening. Thereafter, there was one more song which I had composed and written, where I described myself as the flute. And like the flute is empty, so we have to empty ourselves. When we say we surrender, we empty ourselves before Shri Mataji. And all our chakras basically are the holes in the flute. So then we become empty, and then Shri Mataji, you allow her to play on your chakras. Then what happens? A beautiful tune comes out. And that tune is the music of joy. And that is what came out of this poetry and this song. Of course, it's in Hindi, but in case you'd like to hear it, and there is time, I'll play it and I'll try to sing along. And this is also a track composed at the Bollywood. It's 16 tracks and 5.1 Dolby. So it has been shown in the cinema theaters. And here I am going to play it for you before you.
तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी, अब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने, तब राग मधुर पर में बजे, पर में बजे। तेरी आसों की जब एक लड़ी दुख मन मेरी को भर देगी। तेरी आंगुरियां हैं स्पर्श करें उन छिद्रों को जो चक्र भय, ऐसी तेरी धुन है बह जाए, हर नस झंकार से भर जाए। सरगम बन जाऊं तेरे सांसों की जब एक लड़ी दुख मन तेरी को भर देगी। ही कहते हैं हर दिल में तेरा ही नाम बसे, तेरी धुन में मगन हर जीव रसे, हर जीव रसे। बेहोश नहीं ये गौरव है, रोशन चेतन की गुंजन है। जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने, जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने, तेरी शक्ति ही मन पूजन है। तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी दुख मन मेरी को भर देगी। दीप जले, इतना रोशन मुझे करते चले, दिल के भीतर कई राग छिड़े। हर राग में नव इंसान जगे, ऐसा मंथन रस रूप धरे, सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे, सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे। अब जीवन स्वर्ग आम बने तेरी आसों की, जब एक लड़ी सुखमन मेरी को भर देगी, तब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने, तब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे, तब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे।
I thank you from the bottom of my heart for being patient with my music and my slow speed. But I only want to say one thing. Be on the lookout. Graha Lakshmi, The Awakening is out for release all over the world in English. It's been dubbed in English, and I'm very waiting for all the cinema halls to open so that I can show it to you in the theaters. Otherwise, we're going to find a way how to show the film to all of you. The other news is that we are making a new film called Mahalakshmi Path. And this is going to be a continuation of Graha Lakshmi. The film is in the making, and I seek all your blessings, all your prayers, and blessings from Shri Mataji that we continue to keep making films, making songs that are in her praise and that can spread Sahaj Yoga and give realization to thousands and thousands. 50,000 households today in India have taken self-realization after watching my film. And I'm ever so grateful to Shri Mataji. I also seek your support. Thank you very much. May God bless you and have a wonderful Shri Ganesh Puja. We bow to Shri Mataji. We bow to Shri Ganesh. Jai Shri Mataji. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji, dear Sanjay Talwar, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts to make us remember about the beautiful time with Shri Mataji and the way she sweetly supported art and artists to open the heart of the different seekers and to make them come to her feet in such a loving and caring way. So thank you for all the part of history of Sahaja Yoga that is part of us and of our heart. We wish you all the best with all the wonderful project and keep being the wonderful instrumental mother as you are. So thank you so much for all you shared with us. Thank you very much. This was the sound of a clapping that would be there if we were all together. So this is what we feel from our heart. Thank you so much. And now, continuing our evening, we go back to Australia with a video of